though.
Wait lang.
Viewers. Ooh, geez. 5.9. Damn.
Okay, go.
That's a lot of viewers, bro.
Dinagdagan ko. Kita mo?
Oh. 27 years old.
Okay, dance na kayong dalawa.
Ganyan! Sweet-sweet lang muna.
Left and right and right. Left,
Zumba pala.
left, right.
Okay, sorry. Ito na. Parang dapat move backward kayo, guys.
Kasi kita sila dyan. Kaya
Naki-
nga.
Ayan namin nagpapagsak na!
Oh! Oh! Gusto nila reaction eh.
Lagi ko naaalala ang tindig at ang forma. At kapag siya ay nakita, kinikilig akong talaga. Di naman siya sobrang gwapo, ngunit siya ay type na type ko. Bakit ito ay nadarama ng puso ko?
Parang totoo!
Siya ay nakausap, ako ay parang nasa ulap. Nang ako'y kanyang titigan, sa puso ko'y anong sarap. Tunay na kapag umibig, lagi kang mananakilig. Pagkasama mo siya, ay ligaya na walang patig. Mr. Cupido, ako na may tulungan mo. Bakit di banain ang kanyang damdamin at lahat ako'y mapansin? Mr. Cupido, sa kanya'y tatatin ako. Huwag mo nang tagalan ang paghihirap ng puso ko. Minsan siya'y nakausap, ako ay parang nasa ulap. Nang ako'y kanyang titigan, sa puso ko'y anong sarap. Tunay na kapag umibig, lagi kang nananaginip. Pagkasama mo siya, ay ligaya na walang patig. Mr. Cupido, ako na may tulungan mo. Bakit ibanain ang kanyang damdamin at nang ako'y mapansin? Mr. Cupido, sa kanya'y dadadet ako. Huwag mo nang tagalan ang paghihirap ng puso ko. Mr. Cupido, ako na may tulungan nyo. Bakit di panain ang kanyang damdamin at nang ako'y mapansin? Mr. Cupido, sa kanya'y dadadet ako. Huwag mo nang tagalan ang paghihirap ng puso ko.
Ito pa.
Huwag mo nang tagalan ang paghihirap ng puso ko.
Ay!
Zumba!
Zumba!
Guys, ang gagaling ng mga ano natin, di ba?
Ay,
Backup
grabe.
dancer.
Never yung dancer!
From 5.9 to 8.9!
Ang ganon, grabe!
Uy, gusto nila yung performance natin, 8,800. So, sabi, may mga nag-ano sa kanila, nagsisend ng ano.
Ano magtatapos na lang tayo sa nagustuhan?
Ayan,
Ganon na lang.
nagkakasayaw sila eh, may nagsisend sa
piso.
kanila.
Talaga?
Oo. Kaya
Do you guys want more?
you guys want more? Talagang ginaganahan.
want some more?
Yung mga backup dancer namin talagang ginaganahan sa mga nagpapadala sa kanila, guys.
Ang lagay ba, magpapawisan na lang kami ni Francis, di ba? Siyempre. Ang lagay ba, walang gasolina to, ganon.
Oh, yes daw, yes. Yes daw.
Yes.
Ano kakantahin natin, Mr.
Ano?
B?
Ano yung mga ano nila?
Ang ganda ng Bleeding Love kanina eh.
Miss Independent, ikaw pala.
Miss Independent ka muna.
Sige.
Sige, ikaw para pahinga muna kami.
Sige, sige.
Pahinga muna kami. Miss Independent, dadance din ba kayo?
Wow, dance sila.
Ay, dance daw kayo, B.
Katriona.
Ay, kasi yun na.
Maglalaban mo. National costume.
Magkano to?
Kasi yung sundok.
Guys, ayan na.
Pila.
Mas maganda nasa likod, B, kita kayo.
Long gown.
Actually, kita kayo dyan.
Sa likod. Ayun na, sa likod.
Mirror.
Ay, pwede kayo lalapit.
Tatampahan na lang namin kayo.
Parang hindi pala.
Sige, kita. Dito.
Ay, yun na pa.
Ay,
Yan! Yan!
Oh, it's something about the way she moves. I can't
Ikaw yung something about the way she moves.
Don't need you.
Francis, go! Okay lang yan, go.
Nangyari
ang ganda mo, Pe.
Tingnan mo siya, Pe. Pedicure nails, just at the pedicure bra.
Punta ka din dito, umiikot ka sa mga ano. Pero ako naikot-ikot ka dito, B. Yan. Ganon ka, Pe. Ganon ka.
That's the kind of girl I need.
Ganyan, Pe. Ang galakad ka ko dito. Dito din.
That's why I
Ganon ka.
love Miss Independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing.
Lapitan mo kaya siya, tapos gano'n mo.
Miss Independent. Oh, you shine. Miss Independent. Contestant number 2.
Ang ganda sa number 2 na go! Go!
Ooh,
Ayan na,
it's
go!
about
Mr.
how I'm
Philippines
feeling.
Mr. Universe.
Nahihiya si Francis, guys! Go na, Francis!
Stretch mo kayo.
Nag-stretching! Go! Paano daw? Sabay kayo, sabay! Ayun na! Ay!
Ang sakit!
OMG!
Oh!
Dahil sa Ate Francis yan.
It's made for a boss, only a boss. Anything that she telling them to get lost. That's the girl that's on my mind. She got a own thing. That's why I love her. Is it ending?
Ganda ang halaman.
It's been a little time. She got a own thing. That's why I love
Wala
her.
na.
Waiting pala. Who will shine? It's
Hinahanap tayo sa upo, saka sa ganon.
Have everything to say, don't worry, I
Hinahanap
got
lang kami
it.
sa upo, saka sa ganyan.
No. And everything she got, just believe she's fucking. Oh, she gon' steal my heart, there's no doubt about it. Girl, you're everything I need, and you're everything I need. Oh, 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 oh. She got a miss independent, spend little time. She got, that's why I love my baby. No, ooh, the way we shine. This, she got a own thing. That's why I love her. Ow!
Grabe!
Pasabog yung rampa yung dalawa, guys.
Oh.
Hoy, 11K viewers!
Oh! 11K viewers!
11K!
Grabe!
Oh my gosh.
Iba talaga ang powers ng KKK.
Ikaw pala daw, ikaw pala kanina pa nagre-request, ikaw pala.
Pero, pag sinamahan nyo na
Kailangan
hanggang
ko mag-warm
dulo.
up.
Oo. Mamaya pa yan, guys.
Ay,
Mamaya.
mamaya na daw, guys.
Ang taas nun, guys. Let me warm up.
O, ano nang kanta na kakanta ko to sasayaw kayo ulit?
What you guys want? What you guys want? Risk it. Risk it.
Uy! May nagpa-5 hash!
Wow! May
Instagram pa.
Ay! Ibang klase talaga si Catriona Gray!
Grabe.
May nagpa-5 hash sa kanya.
5 hash?
500! Sa'yo?
Thank you, guys!
300. Ano?
Rich.
Ay!
Oh!
Kasi hindi mo masyado nirampahan eh. Siya inikot niya yung buong ano. Pero parte na. Thank you so much, everybody!
Ako dito agad eh.
May mga nagbagsak din sa akin dito.
Hindi, ano pa yan? There's more pa for fans,
yes.
guys.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's show some love. Chill. Grabe, ang galing, ang ganda ng pagkakakanta.
At saka ang ganda din ang
Ano,
dami.
okay,
Be, parang uuwi kang paldo.
Oo.
Uuwing paldo si Jello.
Yes.
Pakita mo naman kay ano, Mr.
Kay Mr.
B,
B.
kung ba't ka kinaganahan.
Kasi,
Tingin.
Sabi niya nung nakaraan, 6 hours kami nag-live, di ko pa binigay yung cash G ko.
oh.
Nagsisend direct sa Cash G.
Oo, cash G.
Asan na ba?
Tingnan, pakita mo naman. Kilig na kilig siya, oh.
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 Lahat yan ngayon?
Oo.
Oh my God. So, ending balances. Oh my.
Nakakakilig yung tagal Las Piñas.
Oh my
Sa kanya galing yung 4 digits.
Oy.
That's
Bade.
right, that's right, that's right.
Nila.
Thank you.
Pag kinanta-kanta. Ano maganda i-dance nyo, be?
Spice Girls.
Ay, Spice Girl.
Yung pala, ano? Ano kaya naisip na tong ipasok?
O gusto mo kumakanta ka habang ano?
Hindi. Ang hirap ng singing dance.
No,
eh.
Oh. Hindi ko alam to actually.
Kahit walang
Ay,
steps.
iba ba? Dancing Queen daw.
My future, forget my past. If you wanna get with me, better make it fast. Now don't go wasting my precious time. Get your act together, we could be just fine. I tell what you want, what you really want. Tell me what you want, what you really want. I wanna really wanna sing it out. Be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, you just got to give. Taking it too easy, but that's the way it is.
Akala ko kanino ka ba yun?
Say you can handle my love.
Are you for real? I won't be hasty. I'll give you a try. If you
Go,
really
Francis,
love me,
daw.
then I'll
Sabi
say
ko, Francis.
goodbye.
Sabi what you want, what you really want. I wanna really say
Be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. It can last forever. Friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, you have got to give.
Oh, you have to give.
That's
You
the
have
way
to
it
give.
is. That's the way
Talagang
it
give talaga.
is.
Kasi, gano'n get with me. Gano'n
You
sa
have got-
kali. Give talaga, di ba?
Pero ano
Oh,
it works.
Stop.
ano?
Yung you have got
You have got to give. Give talaga dapat.
Uy, nawala! I will survive na lang kayo?
Ayan na.
Stupid love daw.
Mamaya!
Oh, sige.
We will try to survive this.
First I was afraid, I was petrified, thinking I could never live without you by my side. thinking I could never, thinking I looked in your eye and I grew strong. It's hard to get along, so you're back. Now this place, just want to find you here. Ang hirap nang basahin ang lyrics ito.
Took it long, I
Should have made you look cute.
I had no for just 1 second, you'll be back.
Back to bottom B, don't wanna go.
Wait lang, masyadong dikit-dikit yung lyrics, be. Di ko siya mabasa, B. Masyadong dikit-dikit yung lyrics, B.
Nagpatong-patong.
Nagpatong-patong na sila, B.
Oo.
Ang
Medyo,
hirap.
medyo delayed yung pagbasa na kasi.
Oo, may kabagala. Alam niyo naman tayo, medyo may pagkalola. Mabagal tayo magbasa, be.
Ano siya?
Ano?
Those are some moves that I found.
Last dance.
Alam mo, mag-dance ka na kasi, B. Dancing and dance ka na.
Singing the song.
Tonight.
Dapat gusto mo
Oh, I need you by me.
First I was afraid, I was petrified, thinking I could never live without you by my side. So many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew stronger, and I learned how to get alive. And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here and find some look upon your face.
I should have changed that stupid look. I should have made you leave the key. If I had known for just 1 second, you'll be without me gonna go.
Pangit pala niyan,
Oh,
kung sigaw.
Everybody.
So, kanta naman tayo ulit ng Wish.
Ayan na.
Wish? May
107.
acoustic ba na Wish? Oo, okay na yung...
Pwede actually.
Try natin, ah.
Feeling ko meron.
Oo, i-type mo.
Okay, kanta muna kami ni Mr. Bigan.
For the very first time with you, I got my heart on the ground and it's something true.
Thinking I'm going crazy.
I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you.
They try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth. My heart is crippled by the vein that I keep on closing. You got me opening now. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. You got me open. They kill me open. Diba?
Teka lang, i-record natin. Nasa na?
Open. Ha? Yan pala yung cut me open, ganon.
Okay, go. Isa pa. Isa pa! Kantayin.
Asan yung ano mo? Check, dala mo yung ganon mo?
I think ulitin natin.
From the top.
Yes. Parang maganda siya. Parang maganda siya ni Bagay.
I didn't really pray. Once or twice is enough, and it was all in vain. Good on them.
And then I'm frozen. Oh, but something happened for the very first time with you. My heart melted to the ground, found it
Something true.
and everyone around thinking I'm going crazy. And I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you.
They try to pull me
Away, but they don't know the truth.
My heart is crippled
By the vein that I keep on closing, you cut me open and
I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. You cut me open. Ay, mas maganda nga siya.
Ganda!
I like it!
Yeah, the talk so loud, the piercing sounds fill my ears, try to fill me with doubt. Yet I know that the goal
Is to keep me from falling. And nothing's greater than the rush that comes when you embrace. And in this world of the loneliness, I see your face around me,
Thinks
baby.
that I'm going crazy.
Alright, everybody.
And I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you. They try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth. My heart is crippled by the vein that I keep on closing. You cut me open and I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. You cut me open and and it's draining all of me. Oh, they find it hard to believe I'll be wearing this scars for everyone to see. I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you. They try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth.
My heart is crumpled by the veins that I keep on closing. You cut me open and I
Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love.
I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love.
Keep bleeding,
I keep bleeding in love. You cut me open.
keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love.
I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love.
Ayun na.
You cut me open and I'm bleeding, I keep bleeding in love.
Thank you so much. Oh my God, kumakanta pala dito yung waiter. Thank you so much.
Hindi sila handa sa duet na yun. Grabe.
Ang galing, ang galing. Mas maganda pala yung acoustic, guys.
Oo.
Oh, nagustuhan niyo naman ba yung acoustic, guys?
Would you guys like some more water?
Sure! Sure can?
Naging Barbie.
Yung Barbie, sure can. Ang pogi naman ng waiter dito.
There you go. Enjoy your stay,
Thank you
guys.
so
If you need something, all you gotta do is
much.
just give me a little call and I'll be right.
Alright, we'll just ring the bell. Ring the bell! Ring my bell! Ay. Oh, ano, ready kayo doon?
Hindi ka din ready.
Hindi na ako ready.
Hindi kami ready, guys.
Oo.
Ang ganda ng acoustic,
Ayaw ko na pong kumanta after marinig yun.
Parang maganda siya kantahin sa concert.
Oo nga, true. Pwede, no? At
With
least
dance.
isama na yun
Dapat
sa
alamin nyo na din yung ano, yung dance.
Kapi. Saan papunta yung ano?
Ano na?
Sa left, no?
So, tuturo ko sa'yo. Okay, mag-tutorial muna tayo.
Tutorial muna kami, guys. When ang concert?
Actually, hindi siya concert. Thanksgiving po siya.
Show.
Thanksgiving yan. Friday. KKK. Ganyan, okay. I don't care what they say. Ay, ganun
I don't care. Tatlo, 1, 2,
I don't care what they say. I'm in love with you. Try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth. My heart is crippled by the veins that I keep on closing. You cut me open and I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. You cut me open, ganon.
Basic lang ang steps, guys.
Diba
Kaya
basic
yan.
lang?
So, I think Sa Thanksgiving show, kailangan sabay-sabay nating sayawin to.
Pwede na natin TikTokin yan kapag alam mo na siya, B. Di ba?
True. Game, tutulungan nyo ba kaming gawing TikTok trend dong Keep Bleeding? Choreographed by
guys.
Miss Katrina.
Aralin nyo na, tuturo ko na sa inyo yung step ha. Kay everybody, sunod na kayo. Class, yan, may 5,000k viewers tayo. Manood na kayo, guys.
This is the Keep Bleeding, Bleeding Love dance tutorial.
Teka lang, tingnan mo natin kung sasabay ba sila. Guys, sasabay ba kayo?
Oo.
Kung sasabay kayo, game. Medyo join ba?
Sabayan nyo ba? Yes daw, G.
Tapos
Sasabayin ko.
gawa kayo ng TikTok, game.
Gawa kayo ng TikTok, tapos i-tag nyo kami, tapos lagyan nyo ng hashtag. Lagyan natin ng hashtag, para
Hashtag
magaling.
Miss B Bleeding Love. Ganon. Miss B Bleeding Love.
Or diretso na, Miss Bleeding Love.
Hindi, Miss B Bleeding Love.
Okay. Miss B Bleeding Love, yung ating hashtag, para pag click lang namin yun, madali namin makita yung mga entries nyo. Game, G.
G na, G.
Okay. Blooming mo. Thank you. Okay, that's that. Okay, first step, teacher.
I don't care what they say.
Ganon.
I don't care what they say.
I'm in love with you.
I'm in love with you. Tinulak mo talaga, love with you. Ganon.
I'm in love with
Talagang
you.
idiliin mo talaga. Love
Yes,
mo
gano'n,
talaga
diba?
siya.
Paano mga tulig?
Galit.
Wala kayong magagawa,
Ganyan.
diba?
Oo, yan. Ganyan. Tapos, you.
Yun.
Turo mo talaga.
Yes.
Paalam mo talaga sa kayo na ikaw.
Diba?
Sa'yo.
Ikaw yun.
I'm in love with you.
They try to pull me away, ganon.
Yan.
They try to
Baka.
pull me away, but they don't know the truth, diba? Tapos my heart is crippled
May heart galing dito. Tapos gumapang
Yeah.
talaga. Kipo.
by the vein that I keep on
Closing.
Closing.
Okay.
Sara na. Oo.
You cut
You cut
me open.
Yun talaga yung gusto ko yung pang Maha Salvador.
Yes. Keep, diba? Ganon. You cut
Tas-
me open and
Okay, so yun yung first
keep-
chorus.
Saksak lang, be. Saksak ng
Saksak
kutsilyo.
lang. Saksak pala. Ba't ako naka-heart?
Keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love.
Sa kabila.
Saksakin mo rin yung kabila.
Saksakin mo din, di ba? Keep bleeding in love. Tapos you cut me open. Yun na yun, guys.
Nakuha nyo ba?
Kuha nyo ba, guys?
Aantayin namin yung entry nyo ha. Pag may entry na kayo, mag-comment lang kayo dito na meron na.
Kuha na, guys.
I-check ko yung entries nyo ha.
Nakuha na.
Submission of entries ay hanggang 8 p.m.
Ayaw daw tayo, B.
Medyo kasi, maliit lang tong space namin ngayon. So,
Parang yan daw gusto nila. Ay, nako, pinagloloko nyo kami. Baka di nyo naman kami sinasabayan.
itigan muna namin kung meron na munang nag-entry.
Baka mamaya,
Hindi.
Wag muna sila mag-entry. Nasa live pa natin sila, B.
Oo nga.
Bukas na
Mamaya,
yan.
bukas pala bukas.
Sali daw si Francis.
Ha?
Dapat inaral mo na daw yung dance, Francis.
Ay, kabisado na ni Francis yan.
Alam mo na, Francis?
Ito, papakita ni Francis. Yun.
Ay! Paano? Dito, dali. Dito. Dito, go. Ay, alam na niya, be.
5, 6, 7.
Yan, ang favorite na tingnan mo,
Yan, bouncing baby boy.
Ay, ang galing ng keep-leading niya, guys. Ang galing. Nakita nyo? Go, Francis. Daw, meron ka na naman mga fans here. Ay, ang cute
ang cute
daw.
daw.
Ay, galing talaga. Si
I think
Francis.
may mga na si Francis dito, may mga humahanga na kay Francis. Go, Francis.
Iba, may, ano ka ba?
Iba yung bounce kasi talagang
Ben, ang laki ng tip niyan sa kakadance niya.
Oo, ay talaga.
Parang kailangan mo din mag-dance. Paano? Ano?
Uy!
Ayun,
Keep breathing.
Oo, ang laki ng tip. Naging
Nagaling
tip.
ako po.
Ang galing, ang laki ng naging tip niya ni
Ay, Diyos ko, dance lang naman pala eh. Teka lang ha. Hindi naman sinabi, sing ako ng sing dito, dance pa lang gusto mo. Every week na lang sing kami ng sing, dance pa lang gusto.
Oo, yun pala ang gusto nila,
Oo.
dance number. Pero ang ganda ng acoustic. Nagustuhan
Ang ganda
niyo ba,
nga.
guys? Ano masasabi niyo?
Ano yung gusto nyo?
Yung original,
Yung original or
version
yung acoustic? Ang ganda, tas ang ganda.
Actually, alam mo kung ano ba nagpaganda?
Boses ni KL.
No.
Eh!
Grabe yun. Kikilig ko na.